Want to create and export an Elemental Kit using Elementor? In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can start building pro-level designs quickly. Meanwhile, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might find it useful. So, start by opening your browser and heading to the back end of your WordPress website. From the left-hand menu panel, click on Elementor, and then go to the Tools section. At the top, you'll find a tab called Import Export Kit. Click on it to get started. Under the Template Kit section, look for the option Export a Template Kit. You'll see a Start Export button. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll be redirected to the Export Kit setup page, where you'll see three options: Templates, Content, and Site Settings. These will already be checked by default, so leave them as is. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the Kit Information section. Give your kit a name, for example, Elemental Kit or New Elemental Kit. Then click on the Next button in the bottom right corner. On the next page, you'll see a list of plugins used in your kit. Just check the box next to any plugin name. This will auto-select all plugins at once. Once that's done, click the Create Kit button in the bottom right corner. And that's it. Your export is ready. Just click the Close button to finish up. Plus, each time I build a site, I use Elementor. If you're considering building your own, the affiliate link below will take you to the tool I use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really supports the channel. See you in the next one.